thought we were using the other one.
No.
Yeah.
He said we're not.
Oh.
It is not like
Are we not launching it that high?
It's shooting straight up.
No.
Just say 3, 2, 1, okay?
All right, you guys ready?
Yes.
We
Point it at the rocket, Max.
Yep.
Rocket.
3,
Point it at the rocket. Move it.
3, 2,
1. There it goes.
Uh-oh. We got some work to do.